I'm down in Crystal Beach just checking out the destruction from the storm 2 weeks ago. And I just got the drone up. This is Point Abbino Road South. It's a stretch of road which connects Crystal Beach with the community of Point Abbino here in the Fort Erie region. Anyway, on December the 23rd of 2022, Seiche, part of the big blizzard, lifted the water levels extremely high, and along with 120 km/h winds, pushed the water right over the road, and as you can see from here, completely washed it away. Now the funny thing is, this road was actually just resurfaced 3 days earlier, and there was a post on one of the Facebook groups in the area pertaining to that, saying, hey, they're doing the road, what's the point, blah blah blah. And I left a comment on there saying, hey, here today, gone by Friday. And you know what? I was spot on. Come Friday the 23rd of December, just 3 days after they resurfaced the road, it was virtually all washed away again. And currently the road is closed. The only vehicles coming through right now are construction vehicles and the occasional resident to try and get to their property. But there's a lot of work to be done, and I'm sure another Seiche will come and do it again.